Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the LCD on a Huawei Nova Y90. First, remove the SIM tray. Use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card tray from the device. Next, remove the back cover. Gently heat the edges of the back cover with a heat gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive. After that, use a slim metal plate to lift a small section of the back cover and insert a plastic pry tool to separate the back cover from the frame. Work your way around the edges until the back cover is completely removed. Use a Phillips screwdriver and screw and remove the metal bracket covering the battery connector using a screwdriver. Remove the metal bracket. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard to prevent electrical damage. In some cases, the battery may need to be removed to access the LCD connectors. Next, remove the broken LCD. Carefully apply gentle heat to the front of broken LCD. Use a metal slim pry tool to gently lift the LCD out if necessary. LCD to the phone's frame. Soften the adhesive holding the broken LCD in place. Use the plastic pry tool to lift the broken of the phone to screen, and then a pry tool to separate it from the frame. Clean any remaining adhesive from the frame and ensure there are no leftover shards of glass or debris. Connect the LCD cable back to the motherboard. Make sure the connection is secure before testing. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard and turn on the phone to test the new LCD. Make sure the display and touch functions are working properly. To check for any issues with the display, power off the phone again. Reassemble the phone. After confirming that the new LCD works, touch sensitivity, or other functions. Turn on the phone back on and perform a final test. Covering the battery connector and screw it back in place. Reattach the back cover using adhesive. Applying slight pressure to ensure proper fit. Final testing. After these steps, the Huawei Nova Y90 should be fully operational with a new LCD. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tech savvy.